this
Hey! I beg you now. I beg you now. So, una they here, they high, they play draft, they check. When one of your boys, they there, they plan how you go bomb this place. Bomb. Hey. I don't know what they go no. Bomb. I see her with my own eye. Where he stand there, they discuss, they plan with one man when look like this Boko people. Boko Haram. Hey! Now you're not there here.
Hey, Sisi, where they go? You don't run away like that. You wait and know the facts before you run to avoid stampede. Biapama, can you tell me your proof?
Yeah. Oga Jonas, now you here they ask questions. They speak BB grammar.
Then they ask proof for bomb.
I still get my life where I enjoy. I never enjoy and finish. And I get picking where I train. I beg I don't go. No, see you not tomorrow.
No, Jonah, wait. Jonah,
Sisi, can you wait for me?
Jonah, they talk about bomb. You dare here, they look for evidence of bomb.
Hey, stop there. Stop there.
Oh, you are the one where one bomb this place. Bomb. Hey!
No, please. That word you use, it's too strong. It's too strong. As you talk bomb now, that's so my mind to concord.
Shut up.
One is flow.
Shut up. Somebody don't tell us say you want bomb here. You and one Boko Haram person, they plan to bomb. We don't catch you.
Okay, I am innocent too.
Innocent too.
I am innocent. Even my village would forbid the bomb.
What happened? Trofuna. Oh yeah, confess. Talk.
Okay.
Nothing to confess, Oga.
Shut up. Shut up. Let it.
Now business I they do. Now pieces of iron now they buy. He go bring for me, I go buy for hand. Me I can go sell. Now what thing I they take feed myself.
So for your mind now, you be better person when they buy things with them thief.
How go take no say now? That's not where they thief.
Kemano kwiga agbamu ne no wa egwasiem nya me bebu enwemu ba mu ko ma mu la ye dozie manya odo manya ni igbu ugwo mi no wa amaluko ni ti igwo mi fe inanu
Spana.
Oga lucky
How you there?
fine no good afternoon
Who Oga Jonas?
my oga if you like saying go toilet you know all this place where he like it in peace
If I forget. I bet I won't go somewhere. I bet see what happened be say this is my customer. They come bring a car. And I know they. So now I want make you help me. Do am. Yes.
I do the man or the car.
No, make you do the car.
Okay. It's all right. No, but waiting we go do inside.
And just small thing, no. Just the fan belt. Make it change.
You want to change your bed?
No, fan belt for the car.
Okay. Okay, you want me to do the belt for the car?
Make you change that.
Okay.
Are you sure this young man can be able to do this one?
No problem.
No, the way he's asking too much question.
Fana.
Yes, sir.
Are you a mechanic at all?
No, I can do it very well.
Now your guy have fan belt, so you go feed one.
Can he be able to do the work?
Yes.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
You go do that.
If you fuck me up, I'll fuck you down.
Oh, no problem. I don't get any
Spana.
I don't get any fuck. But okay, look, we will not talk about the price. You know, say because of you, make you just give me 1.5.
Spana.
1,000.
Now just do it too.
Can you imagine?
Just do it. If I can't, I will find something. I will find 500.
We'll give you 500 naira.
500.
Yes.
Spana. Do it, go.
500.
Yeah, do I beg. I go somewhere. I beg.
Do it well, though.
Make you no disappoint you.
Don't do it well.
Okay, make you go.
I'll do it well. 500 with all this belly well na car. Belly full everywhere. If you see their shoe, who knows who borrowed the Oga with this shoe? Bamo kunya dozie manya.
See, don't mind that guy. He's only doing eye service. So that when the Oga comes down, he will begin to hurl him. See, I no fit kill myself for this work. This is what we do so. I no fit kill myself, say, I call them work. For what? For what?
Hey.
Carry that to come on the bed.
Wetin tire me be say, why they no carry that car come our shade? They can't let us waka come here, come they do the work. Chai! This can work safe. Shebi, if no be say, now one thing now, I for there for Chelsea, they knock international football now. Honestly.
Hey! I can't allow that. I'll look one kit or tele. What? Ayan. So you mean say you sabi do this soccer? Eh?
Wait, don't take people. You know what they coming from my area? Eh? They Okocha.
You see, I'm see person who sabi soccer. Now you know sabi Okocha. Now they do Okocha. No go spoil that name.
Anyhow.
I think so you bring this same player. What's in the hole?
Don't make me vex.
But Ayon, you say you want travel. I fit help you. I fit help you make you travel out.
Fit help me. So how you want to help me go now?
You go bring money now, some money. You get person where they do my paper. I want to take travel out. So I go come give them your own. So the person go do the tour. Go travel out. But you get this thing what they call international passport. You get them?
International passport? What do you mean that one?
See, person. So you want travel? Go just go play football. You know what they call international passport? You know what?
I just ask you question.
I better come over here. See, person, we want go do this thing. See, if you when you are ready, come and meet me. Go from here. Say what travel go just.
I just ask. You never reach like that now.
That day for yesterday show. Hey, don't be so just kiss. That's what you did.
For you, it's.
I like that. I like that story. Yeah, you can like it. I want to take my money.
Apama, para.
Paliemelu.
Apama. I won't buy this one. Breakthrough.
You know, say when I did like this, I know they do like disturbance. Let me attend to you.
You have to.
Original, Chan. This is original.
Una they ever agree say una get fake. Now only God know the kind acid we una don't mix inside that place.
It was manufactured.
I see. Manufactured, yeah. But anyway, come make us see.
What do they see me for? I beg. No see me. If na credit you carry come again, I know they sell. I beg you. See shop.
I beg come make us see. Abba. Why it be say every time where I dey pass your shop or I can't see you for shop? If one girl no dey there, another girl go dey there. I be this one na your niece.
Very good. Make I ask you my own question. How the different girls when they come stay for my shop take affect you? How it take concern you? Abi affect your libido? Right? How it take concern you? Abi you want one? Make I arrange them for you.
Look,
Truth shall set you free.
Apama, I am concerned about you. I don't advise you. Carry one of these girls, go marry. If you know say you don't marry. Instead of you to jump from one to another.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Make you give me money, make you come up for this. Give me money, go your way, I beg. I know they for all that nonsense. Take.
No, not for your own good that they talk. Oh.
Thank you very much. Just give me my money. Give me money. But waiting I know, waiting I know, you say I still better pass you. Marry or no marry.
Waiting that one coming. Waiting that one coming.
Oh, see. It is say I don't know una. Some of una will be say una go they hide, they go pleasure hotel, go they knock. It is I know they see you.
Me?
I they see you.
No! Never. I am a one woman responsible citizen of Nigeria.
Hoorah! Hoorah! Rah! I go tell PMB. Make he consider you for award, national award. You hear me so? National award. Make I tell you something now. On a serious note, if now marriage they hungry me as I dey so, I go arrange at one time because you say no say money day. Money day. I mean go repair their motor for them, maybe we'll get motor. If sick Caro don't come, I beg you help me. Say I make a package my own ogogoro for take away nylon.
So I don't become your errand boy now. See your head.
Let me say they say. Tell them. Let me say go there and I go there chat. I not go remember anybody. I beg you. You don't like it? Put your leg where you put that.
Come down, the food don't come. Come. Where you go since?
The place. Now me thank you when you tell me, so I call you, make you come tell me eat.
Hey, yeah, okay, no verse. Thank you. Where you go? And where you get the money used by all this with the chop?
Hey! This is why question. See the kind why question when you ask me. Okay, good. My brother, where do you go? Send me money. Now the money now they expand that food. Now the money now they make use of food.
See, I no just understand una at all. Instead of una to put mind and una eye for this work una can learn. Now all of una just dey misbehave. Eh?
Hold on there. Hold on. Come. Because then you first me come for this work. Because then you senior me, no mistake go they start me in hand. No mistake go abuse me. Respect me.
May wetin no happen.
Eh?
Wetin won't happen.
You go see, oh, I go open my eyes for you very well. I go open, you go see red eye. Oh.
Red eye? Wait, I don't see red eye way past this your own now. You hear me so? I don't see am. Your eyes have no feel light knockout, so forget am.
Hey. Zito. Forget how I be, forget my slimness. Now, see, I don't tell you, I don't warn you. I go enjoy you, I go scatter you here.
Who you want?
Zito! Come on, calm me down.
Carry me down. Who will carry me down?
Hey!
You want me to
Peace of England! What do people think you're doing here? What do you think you're doing?
Oga Jonas, now him first abuse me.
Okay, now lie, when I first find my trouble when I don't hear to chop my food. You know, since I don't kill him almost, now I make I decide make you come for help.
Two of you shut up. Do you think I came here to train? Get away from me, I break your head. Did they tell you I came here to train madmen? Beast of England. Look at the work I asked them to do, they didn't even do it.
What are you saying? And what you the talk, sir? I don't tell you, say, make you trust me. For travel, you don't travel finish. Your visa, your passport, even hotel reservation self don't they ready for you. Trust me now. What is all this? Yes. Relax. Relax, trust me. You don't go finish. Okay, we'll talk later. Yes. Bye-bye.
My friend,
Oga Jonas.
When did you become a travel agent?
Oga Jonas, no be say I be travel agent too, but as you can see, man must work.
Hello? Sure you know, na 419 you want to do person.
Which one come before 419 again? The person can't tell you say the visa no dey ready. I be now you be the embassy. I beg this na money no make we do other things. Leave that matter.
Person hear you when you talk. This is how you rent this shop give us.
Before Uncle no be me. Now my connection you take later. Rent up. I beg where this your boy sit to make you help me go buy a recharge card.
No, I beg call another person. I'm not takes it to play. Call Livy.
No, just talk about Livy. Livy go chop my money. I know if you do anything.
Oh, so you don't see person way pass
you? I beg you, pass me. Hey, iron face. Iron face.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah, I want to fix my car. I don't like the sound I'm hearing from the rear.
Okay. We'll get it done. Bring a chair for Oga.
Get him seat.
Please just wait. I will go and handle it.
It's okay.
Yes. Please sit and wait. Can I have your keys?
All right.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I go want make you buy something.
I beg.
Wait, Sito. Sito!
Go buy me empty and 200 naira.
Sito!
Go fast. Empty and 200 naira. This one where they put face like iron wear bend. You're welcome. Welcome. Now you get that car.
Yeah, it's my car.
Hey, that car fine. I go like to get that type of car when I grow up. True. Hi. Chineke. This car very day sensitive. I saw the thing they build. Engineer Jonas.
Okay. Please, please don't be angry. My boy is working on it. They'll soon finish it. I've supervised it.
It's okay. Just take your time and make sure you do a good job.
Yes, it's always on it.
Trust him. So long as here is concerned, your car is in hospital.
Excuse me, please.
Okay.
Hello? Hey, Chooks, how are you? How's your marriage plans coming up? Cancelled. Hey, the marriage is not going to hold again. Why? Osu. The girl is an Osu.
Osu Papa. Hey!
There's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm very, very, very sorry.
Outcast.
What? I should intervene. The elders in the village have not finished intervening. What do you want me to say in the issue of an outcast?
Now wow.
No. There's not. You see, I think you should look for another person to marry. Yes, now I'm being realistic. Look for another person to marry, and this time do family research early enough.
Yes.
That's all I have to say.
That's good advice.
I sympathize with you. I'm very sorry, but this Osu matter. Nah, Osu caster. No. Okay, I'm sorry. Thank you.
No deal.
Yes, all right.
Sorry.
Sad story.
In fact, sorry to intrude, but I don't have to hold myself back. I need to ask this question.
Yes, go on. Which question?
It's all about this Osu of FA. You see, I am a writer. I and my colleagues in the pen industry, we are preaching against this menace. It's a problem. We want to see what we can do to stop this problem. But wait, let me ask you, is it not the same God that created us that created this same Osu people?
Yeah.
No.
You see, all this Osu of a thing, they serve gods, which then they see as God too.
Yeah, I believe so. But this, their letter is small letter G. You see, God created us in his own image and likeness.
Okay.
And I don't see the reason why we should see all these people as, they are not human beings like us.
Hey, Oga, I agree with what you are saying. But one question is, what can you do about an old tradition?
Ancient.
That has been holding our people down.
Very old.
There's nothing you can do about it.
How can person solve this Osu problem?
How? Madam Tasty. I beg, give me food, knock me food. Double portion of waiting at the eat before. Double.
Spanner,
Oh.
you want fat pass like this?
Yes, so I want fat pass like this. Because this is my stature when they deceive people well. Everybody they neglect me, they think say as I sleep now they feel break me too.
So double portion, please.
Tochi, auntie, I beg, bring food for Spanner. Double portion, oh.
Madam Testy. As they bring the double portion, please. As they take the sabam, make you take something like that. I ain't gonna pay.
Huh? Wait, even news. I beg no bring that talk here because I know go they pay for you all the time. Nobody tell me I gonna pay for you.
See us in the talk. See us in the talk. Anybody wait here and I will think say now you they pay for me every time. Huh? They will think say now you they pay me every time.
See
Tochi, make a bring for Livy too. Double portion, yeah?
And this and I mean na lie I talk by the way. Na lie.
No problem. No problem. Just pay for today. Tomorrow I will pay. I will pay this money. Just what you want to take wash hand and I'll bring a wash and basin.
See the pot where they there. Now use that one. Now you keep for today.
Now pot?
Now the one we want use today.
So you don't carry your wash and basin, you come this in today. This pot and I will take cook for us tomorrow. So we go make with the wash hand. We will take a cook for us again tomorrow.
We know they use that one they cook. Now use them.
No one had that taste. Instead, where she go tell us say this her thing, where be Tochi, don't break all the bucket or the bathroom they use when they use wash. Tell us the truth, say she don't break all of them.
No, only Tochi should be break. What of the test? Test you. I don't tell you make you give me this job here. Tochi. Look at the trainer, but you know great.
Baby, that one no go work. Today.
Why you no go work? Huh? I mean, you there for your mind. I mean, you want to choose the person where you go marry. I want to choose them for him.
Even if I don't choose for him, I know say she no go fit choose you. I know the person where I get. She no go choose you.
Come, Madam Tasty. Make you know they put your trust for these girls who. Girls of nowadays, they sabi forehand well. No, they put your trust there.
Spanner, meaning waiting.
Meaning say she fit come out tomorrow now. Say na this aqua the news. Choice.
God forbid. I beg, that one no go happen.
Meaning what? So you mean say girl no feel look at my face again? No, my face no good for make woman look again. Now they try talk.
No be waiting.
Because so you buy me food, now make you try to talk this nonsense.
Livy, no verse. No be waiting. I mean, just eat your food. No verse.
May una eat na. Na pore.
Tell me something. This is fine baked.
I'm thirsty. Tasty.
Easy before you kill yourself.
See, easy. Livy.
I just get picking for you.
Easy now. Hey. Small.
This food comes strong like this today. But I'm thirsty.
So make it so that it go belly free you quick. Pana. Hey. I bet we no go run comot phone here.
The next 1 hour.
Chai.
I'll call you. Just give me some time. I'll call you. Yeah. What are we?
What do we go begin do now? What do we go do?
Well, we will continue to preach for change. Change of mindset, change of attitude to these baseless idiosyncrasies. To me, that is the best way to go. And hopefully, if all these people will join hands to fight this war against dehumanization, I mean, that would be the best chance of winning the whole thing.
Yes. I'm also adding that this change supposed to affect every part of our life, including relationship, including our government, including administration. Everything we're supposed to be part of our life.
Not true, yes.
Hey, now well done, oh my people.
Sisi Caro.
Now well done, oh.
Caro stick Caro. This one you they call it this day. Waiting happen. We don't dey wait you for since.
No vex, na market I go. I go buy market. Make I serve una around now.
Hey, how you dey waste time?
Hey!
Serve us and then give this my friend.
Give our friend.
You don't go drink?
I think I have to indulge myself.
This one na.
Hey, why they behave like this? So you know if you tell me say see Claro don't enter.
You for miss this one if you say you dey wait me make I don't tell you.
And I see after you go say my friend.
Now your friend.
See Claro enter you don't tell me. Huh? I beg I go agree.
Apa the Apama.
Well done, eh?
You're welcome.
Hey, I beg see Claro. Give me my usual, Hurry up. Throat is drying up. Charge me.
Charge me. Hey.
See,
This one, now original.
What do you call this one?
This is not paying.
Hey.
Paying.
Kira. Hey. Mayo, Apa, take it in.
Hey.
Electric shock.
What did you? Holding it. Holding it.
Cool.
All the worms.
Hey.
The thing they work. Me say I don't taste am this morning.
Hey. Now I put them for mouth. They tell electrify my system.
This place. We live in harmony here.
Yes.
I think I like this harmony around here. In fact, next time I will stop by and sit down and chat together.
You're welcome anytime. Like I was saying,
make una buy one for me. Make I follow now.
Here we feel quarrel, we feel argue, but we are always in harmony and in oneness.
Yes. Oga Jonas, you are correct. We are in peace here. With one mind, one love.
Your heart. One love.
It's keeping us together.
Don't touch another person. Something.
Papa! You always on point. Your mind always go there.
One no be say go touch another thing.
This is good at camera.
I've not
I did
tested
you
this
very
one
well.
before.
Hey!
Now original.
It depends on the will.
Okay, don't come.
Sorry.
You rub on your pit.
Can I? Now your speech they take do iodine.
Don't mind you. They like spanner.
No be spanner MB. What you be before?
Wait, what do you I send you? Go meet Sito. Make una fix am. Quick. So Oga come carry a car go.
See how your eyes dey.
If they match me again.
Aye.
You dey smoke something.
This shouldn't be smoke.
All these children wey you get for this place now.
Now only Sito get sense here.
Like
Oga, I beg no vex. They go soon finish. Then you go take your car.
Thank you.
Yes.
As my parting word of advice, let's remember to do good and continue to do good. You see, these people you people are going about calling Osu, they are created by the same God that created us. They have their right to make their choices. I mean,
it's true. I agree with you, sir. And it's a pleasure knowing you. Yes. And anytime you come here again, you are welcome.
You're welcome. You're free.
Yes.
Try.
Okay. Well, I don't finish it.
What did they do? You smoke something?
What is wrong? No, they ask.
Sorry, Oga.
Take idea.
Okay, make it.
it's all right.
See, I go. Make I tell you my own. No.
Go ahead.
When I feel preach, go church, do anything. My hand no dey for Osu.
No.
Make Osu marry Osu.
Wait.
Make one for marry one for.
Apama, wait.
Let us tell me your truth.
Wait now. Your blood to the heart. Now maybe the man, the Oyibo man, where they preach him. When this man dey here, you talk.
Now, listen very carefully to me, all of you. This type of engine part, that's a way to wash it. You must put fuel inside here and put fuel inside here to bring out all the dirty inside it. The component in fuel is what dissolves all the dirty inside it. And if we had, there's no fuel. Spanner, sir, you have some money on you. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the money change.
So, go to the filling station. Just down the road there. Get 5 liters so that we can, when you come back, let me show it to you people practically.
Okay.
Okay.
5 liters.
5 liters. Okay.
But Oga, what will be the quantity of the dirty when they inside this one?
Ha! You cannot quantify it because as the car is moving, the dirty from the floor, from
What is
the
that
wind
boy?
and everything.
What is that idiot? What is that useless boy? Hush. What is that boy?
What's the matter? Can you explain to me?
If I catch that boy, that useless boy that spoiled my vehicle, if I catch him, I will finish him.
One of my boys?
Yes.
Please explain to me what is the matter.
Hold on till when I see him. Oh, look at that idiot.
This change, I'll make sure that I fulfill it. Especially in the area of this security and police.
Lucky, shut up your mouth.
What's your own?
Wait till you know. You just they talk because you just don't win. If not be because of Jonas will support you, you can't win. Wait till you know. See as you they talk, you go do this, you go do that.
Richard, why all this complaint?
Complain about what?
Everybody they say you no do things what you promise since when you become chairman.
Now if your problem, don't mind them. Don't worry, I will look into the matter. I'll see what I will do.
All of us know say the new chairman we will get. Promise all the apprentices say he go to give us something every time for this new tenure.
Yes.
So
Let
what
can say we all the apprentices when they come here get free food for 1 month.
Make you go carry your own leave now. Make you follow me, we go protest. Make you tell chairman say this is what they have, we not like him.